In a prior video, we talked about leaving some documents open to downloading and editing. And in this case, in this parent folder 5, Excel Revenue Profit Model, if we click into it, we'll see that we have an Excel file. So this is a document that we want our users to be able to download and edit and make changes to, where everything else may be protected and have digital rights management applied to it. So I'll go ahead and click into the Permissions tab and show you the settings for this. So if we click into any one of our groups and select folder permissions, we see that we had left folder 5 with no permissions for these specific groups. But we do have a group for Excel model. In this case, that's the only folder that's set up under this group. So what we need to do is add the users from the other groups into Excel model group. Now, to your users, this is seamless. They don't recognize that they're in multiple groups. It just means that when they click into their folders or view their folders, if they ever entered this one or when they enter it, they'll see that it's an Excel document and they're able to download it and edit it. But they don't know that that's happened because you've put them into separate groups. So at this point, again, I can look at any of these other groups and they have the document with no permission set on it. And we have digital rights management and watermarking set on all of these other folders. Again, clicking into the Excel model group, onto the permissions, I see that we've granted viewing rights and download rights, but we don't have DRM enabled and we don't have watermarking enabled. So now we can go ahead and add the members to this group. So we could add every member from all of the groups, or perhaps there's just one person from each of these groups that needs to be added. But I'll go ahead and click the Invite Members to Excel Model Group button. And here we're going to see a list of everybody that's been invited in the past. So from here, I could just go ahead and select people, just referring to a list that I've got here, adding. There we go. So we've added each of these people to the Excel model group, and now we can just go ahead and send the invite. Now, they're already going to be users and they've already had an invite go out, and we'll just click that green button and they'll be invited. So again, from their perspective, they won't know that this is just a separate group that they've been added to, granting them download rights. Within the overview, when somebody came in, this may be the spot where you'd want to tell them that that particular folder, number 5, has that financial model in it that they'll be able to download and edit. But that's how you go ahead and through the permission settings, allow users to download and edit a document.